Hello. There's Maddie. Kendall's taking a shower. We are watching, I don't know, we're watching TV, but it's a weekend in my life vlog.
Why do you need the camera so much?
I don't know, I'm trying to get the best lighting. But yeah. See you when we're getting ready.
Hey guys, so weekend in the life. We are about to, well, what time is it? It is like 8:30. It's 8:35 and we're going to the frats at like 10ish, probably. Yeah. Going to Signu. It's heaven, so we're all in white. It's gonna be their biggest party of the semester, so it's gonna be really cool. We are pre-gaming with some waters and stuff, and we're gonna be lit.
Okay, so me and Maddie,
Oh jeez.
we're gonna pick up our food from the point because we're hungry, and
Shoulders look manly.
they don't look like manly. And we'll see you later.
Won't you come to the bottom? Know you heard a lot of bottles.
Outfit check.
You want to see my mom and show her my outfit? Oh. Like,
Right.
hand it and then hand it to you, or do I keep playing it? I don't know.
Oh fuck.
Like, should I keep? We can all just be in the same video. Want to try with the same video first?
Yeah,
and see
yeah,
what
yeah.
happens?
Let's try that.
Okay. Do we all know our lines?
Yeah, I'm a hoping hopper
no.
till I die.
Bring your best friend
Friend
or
or
five.
Okay, bring your wrist
Okay.
for 5.
Yo, that's so funny. Okay, well, no, I'll start the other way.
Okay.
So am I stopping it or just giving you the phone?
Stop
No,
it.
maybe stop it.
No, try giving the phone and then we'll try stopping it.
Okay. So, okay.
Yeah.
Fuck, I forgot the words.
Welp. Oh my god, that thing is so loud. There's a fire
People
truck.
literally just like, it baffles my mind. We're freaking 18, 17, 19, whatever the frick years old, and these people don't know how to make popcorn, pizza bagels. Like, what is this? Or even fucking, like, take the lint out of a fucking dryer. Like, what?
I don't know. All I know
Baffles
is that
me.
We're outside.
She goes into real fire, yeah.
We're
And
outside.
people running downstairs, like,
I don't know what's happening, but there's a fire.
I know what's happening.
What is happening?
High Point University people are fucking idiots. I'm kidding. I'm one of them, so we're not idiots. We're the most intelligent. It goes us, Harvard.
Really?
It does. This is the most prestigious school you can get into. Did you know that?
I did not know that.
Nato Kubain told me that himself.
Wow.
Yeah, I met him at a conference.
Crazy. Oh
in
my god, I
Baltimore.
see the fire trucks coming. Alright, sick. Oh my god, there's the fire people right there. Yo, what? This is now the second time the alarm is going off of the night. Why? Like, why?
Are you doing it? Yeah, wait, do it again. Do it again.
Is it bad?
So I do like that.
No.
Alright, let's go.
Ready?
Oh fuck. Okay, we're walking to the frats. Where's Kendall? I got my 3 fuck. Alright, well we're walking. There's Maddie.
How do you see my
Hi guys, welcome back to the fucking
40 and 50-year-olds see my non-existent boobs?
Okay.
Hi guys, welcome to the Weekend Live with me and Gianna.
I hope you're the 40 and 50-year-olds
Which-
are main watching.
Not to remind you that everyone's calling out Gianna, so Gianna, give some life lessons right now.
My biggest life lesson is don't trust guys that ride tractors.
Yes, don't. Yes, exactly. And no, we're having really fun this weekend. So
They're unreliable and they always pick their tractor over you. So, hey, streaks.
and guys, drink water. Keep hydrated.
Liquid IV is your best friend. Liquid IV.
Alright. Well,
You're not cold? No.
do you have anything to say, Jade?
Everything said to vlog? We're gonna have a good night tonight.
Oh yeah.
Alright, ready?
Oh my
I make
goodness.
vlogs too. I love that.
This is weekend vlog. Y'all probably saw me last night. Y'all probably saw me last night. You was some shit, ate.
They did. They really did.
Kill 'em, ate. Mommy said it's okay to talk.
Mommy said it's okay.
Good morning, vlog.
Good morning to the whole YouTube community.
I don't know if you guys know this yet. You probably will after seeing this video. But me and Maddie are actually gonna be famous in like 0.5 seconds.
we are.
So we made a TikTok last night and we're almost famous.
If you follow Dilfland on TikTok, wait, what did it get? Dude, okay, so you know that around the world that wouldn't post? It was because I was under community guidelines. Okay. So I did like an appeal like maybe like an hour ago.
Yeah.
Guess how many views Kendall and I's videos have? 800. Holy shit.
So by the time you guys see this video, it'll probably have like 1 million views. So we're gonna be famous.
We're just gonna be famous.
So if you want our autographs, just DM us on Instagram or whatever you guys want to do. Anyway, we're gonna go get Dunkin right now because it sounds good. I don't know what else.
That's like I could fuck someone for Dunkin. Like that's just how.
What specifically at Dunkin' would you fuck someone for?
I like hash browns actually.
Just the hash browns?
Well, hash browns in your drink, the dragon fruit
Yeah.
like refresher. Yeah, I could easily fuck someone just for that. But they have to be like attractive in order to like, fuck them.
Doesn't that make you like kind of like a prostitute because like you're fucking someone to get something in return?
I guess so.
But I also feel like that's something good to get in return. Like I would love to get some like Dunkin' after sex.
I mean, money would be nice too. But, like,
True, because you could always use that money to buy the Dunkin'.
Yeah, but like, I don't know.
That's a conflict.
It is a conflict.
Anyway,
Thanks for coming to our TED Talk.
See you later.
Yeah. See you later. Bye.
we're tailgating, guys.
We're tailgating. There was music, but because I'm filming on my phone, it stopped. But we're just sitting in my trunk eating our Dunkin' Donuts.